how to hide or unhide design on mobile at WIX. So right here on your WIX head editor, you want to go to your top left of your screen and then click on this switch to mobile with the mobile icon. And then after that, you can just click any specific design that you want to hide. For example, I want to hide this camera video. I can just click on the camera section and then click on this eye logo called hide section from mobile. And that's it. And then to see which section or design that we hide, you can go to your left side of your screen and then choose this eye icon again, and then it will show what design or section that we hide. And then to unhide it, you can just click on show right here on show element, and then it will go back. But keep in mind that this hidden section only apply in mobile view. And if we go back to the desktop view right here, as you can see, the video was still there. But if we go back to mobile view again, and there you go, the section was hidden. And after that, don't forget to click on publish at the very top right of your screen so your save was changed for everyone. And that's it. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.